currently working on a project at the CME Center where we're upgrading their plants. And just as a high-level outline of that asset, it's about 2.3 million square feet. Tishman owns and operates the building. It was completed in the mid-'80s, and it's a LEED building, and they instituted a major redevelopment in 2018. If you've been by and you've seen the beautiful new lobby, they've been putting a substantial amount of investment into the building, and some of that is obviously with the infrastructure. Tishman and ESD have a strong partnership because of our united commitment to sustainability. And so this was a big issue when we went to look at this plant and how we were going to upgrade it. The use of refrigerant was something that they wanted to be very thoughtful of. It's a 5-year project, and they wanted to look to the future both with their sustainability commitments and their operations in mind. And so the existing plant that they have one in each of those 2 towers, comprising about 7,200 total tons of refrigeration. By the end of this year, we'll have, we're about complete right now, we'll have about 3,100 total tons of refrigeration replaced, and we're upgrading the old R11 machines from the 80s to R514A machines. The anticipated schedule is that the entire plant will be completed by the year 2025. And so by removing the chillers that we've replaced so far, we've replaced 4.9 metric tons of R11 and put into its place 4.2 metric tons of R514A. And what that has, the impact that has had in sort of real terms is about a 20,000 metric ton reduction of CO2 emissions. And what that kind of applies in real world terms is removing about 4,200 cars from the road for 1 year. And because of their occupancy being about 8,000 to 9,000 folks at that building, that's the equivalent of taking vehicles off the road for half of their building population, which is really substantial and is a really big impact.